HHP's ex Larato Kenyi and mother of their son Lino Kenyi. Legendary Jabulani HHP Sambo's son Lino Kenyi has now lost his mother, just over a month after losing his father. According to the spokesperson of the family Fulul Konkana, who confirmed that Larato Kenyi is no more and that she died on Monday morning at a Johannesburg hospital. According to reports, Sambo and Kenyi separated in 2009. The family spokesperson didn't reveal the cause of her death at this stage. On behalf of the family, I can confirm that Kenyi passed away this morning. The family has asked for privacy during this difficult period.